Well, here's my front door after the giant storm last night. There's Manzi out there trying to figure out what that white stuff is. Ooh, it's cold, but sunny. It's probably 30 something. Someone came along and shoveled my doorstep, my entryway here. I don't know if it was Gay, my neighbor, or the maintenance company at the HOA. Anyway, here's the snow. I mean, it's really thick. Deep? Yeah, deep. That's the word. There's Manzi out there trying to figure out if she can find some bunny poops in the snow. Okay, this is going to get bright. This is my neighborhood. Look at these poor bushes just covered. So we were supposed to have our roof redone yesterday, but obviously they had to cancel. So I think it's going to clear up. But what's weird about this is that the streets are covered. The last storm they stayed clear. I better look out. This could fall upon me. Now Sage is outside with us, and he's checking things out. Let's go see what he thinks. He's had a hard time here because he slipped one day on the ice and hurt himself really badly. Well, there's the FedEx man. What do you know? They never stop working. Look at the blue sky. It's going to be really clear and beautiful soon.